Fresh and Lovely Kissing Potion. Flavored roll-on lip gloss. Shines up lips or lipstick. Outshines pot gloss and stick gloss by a smile. No color, just a kiss of flavor. Strawberry, mint, cola. 6 flavors so delicious. Share it with a friend.
Hello, fresh face.
That's you with a little help from Maybelline. Fresh and Lovely Kissing Potion. Fine makeup sensibly priced.
Remember those fun, amazing beauty products from the 70s and 80s that we all loved? Well, this amazing company called Tinte Cosmetics sent me some fun retro-inspired products that I wanted to share with you. They have these amazing lip balm slider tins, some of them dual, just like this one. I think I got the pina colada and coconut, and it's delicious. They also sent me some lip smacker style balms in a variety of different flavors. I absolutely love the cotton candy one. But whatever your favorite flavor is, I'm sure you're going to find one that's suitable for you because they have a wide variety of different flavors on their website. So check it out. But this brings me to my absolute favorite product that they sent me, and that is the Kissing Potions. You guys remember these? We loved these in the 80s. We wore them all the time, and what I love about Tinte Cosmetics, the flavor is exactly as I remembered. And the texture, the way it goes on, it's so smooth, not super sticky, and gives you that high shine. So if you guys love vintage-inspired makeup, go check out tintecosmetics.com. Drop a comment below. Do you remember these products? Which were your favorites? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more retro content.